kayaking.
So that's why.
They're on the Twinkie bus.
Twinkie bus. Went airborne on the Twinkie bus.
It's a little bumpy in here. Sorry for the camera work. Can't really help it.
They're like, why are you shaking the camera so much?
Trying to stay steady. Nope. Only the cool kids get the back of the bus.
Right.
Just out here enjoying the weather. There's some people way back there. Lost a pair of Oakleys in here. I'm on the hunt. Time for y'all to go on a journey with me. Just coasting down the river. What up? Are they up there smoking on the ganja?
Yeah, they definitely are. But they're sneezing.
They're sneezing and not coughing? That's funny. Follow the people with the music. One a little loco. There's a lot of big fish in here too. They almost look like baby sharks. Do 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 do. Just out here free cruising now. Just letting the flow take us. Passed a few people back there. I think they were using the bathroom in the water. Seen a couple yellow bubbles.
Yep.
And it's nice out today. Why are you not outside? Hey, some trash. Oh, we could have went the other way.
I got a blue dragonfly on my kayak.
Hanging out with a dragonfly over there.
Yeah.
Oh no. What's the saying? Don't come a knocking if you hear the rocking. Hey guys, it's Scott. We're on a 8-mile kayak adventure. Just a little pond right there. How you doing? If you're watching, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. It's just a nice little kayak trip. Got a buddy over here. Decided to check out that cool little pond area. Here she is. Sitting all alone. See how the rest of the day goes. Driving down the river right here. That's what I mean driving. Just ran into. It looked like it drove up there. Gunshots all in it.
Wow.
Another little piece of one right there. And another. There's a few. So we're about 2 miles in now. We've been following them like the whole time. Back there bumping me.
Trying to get her.
She's over here bumping me. Bump her back.
Bumper boat.
Yeah, they got a lot of country on back there. They were talking about OnlyFans a minute ago. Got a heron chilling in the middle of the lake. A river. Whatever this thing is. Little Miami River. Gotta go across the big turn. Chilling over there. And I've been coming across a lot of weird piles of stuff like that. Stacked rocks. I don't know what to think of all that. She's up there doing her own thing. This is how you kayak. You just chill back and relax. Or on deck. Got the Mountain Dew. Good to go. That is really weird. Yeah, there's sticks stacked around it with one stick sticking straight up. More people. I haven't seen them in a while. Pretty empty for a Tuesday. Got some rapids coming up here. I don't know if you can hear that. Better get off here. So we're just floating down the river, and what do we see? A unicorn. That's where the kids are crying. They don't want to leave their unicorn yet. And then we have another really strange, I don't even know what to call that. Somebody tried to build something. There's quite a few sticks there. Let's see, 2, 4, 5. Pretty cool. I don't know how they made them stand up like that. She's swacking back there. Cool ass unicorn. So we finally made it 5 miles through our 8-mile trail. Still just cruising. How long you think it's been?
I have no idea.
I don't see what time it is. It has been 4 hours for us to go 5 miles. Yep. And right there's the shuttle for the 5 mile. Still got 3 to go. Just chilling, picking up some people's trash. There's people drinking on the river. Don't know how to pick up. So Sarah decided to get stuck up the creek. I'm just chilling here waiting on her. Got some more cans for trash. And she's right there in the middle. Her paddle gets straight up in the air. People passing her. No care in the world, she's just stuck right in the middle. How huge that is. Stuck right in the middle of it. So I enjoy this cove by myself with a couple other people. Got a really big group behind her. See if she beats them. It is not looking very good for her. She's still stuck in the middle. All them people. Yeah, they're all coasting by her. No problem. Feel kind of bad, but I cannot go upstream. Oh man, they're playing Marco Polo without me. It is beautiful out. It's me and my Mountain Dew. That's on one day. Don't really feel hot out here, but that sun is blaring. Wow, yeah, look at all these people that passed her. And that's her way back there. I don't know why she hasn't just stood up by now. It's getting a little funny. Oh, somebody came to her rescue. Yep. They almost got her. Hey. Yeah. I've been watching her for about 10 minutes right here. And she is unstuck finally. She made it. Thanks to a stranger. Thank you, stranger. We all help out a little bit. You recording?
Yep.
I don't know where you're gonna be. Hang on, give me a second. I'm gonna jump over you. Yeah, get ready. Here I come.
Oh my god. I don't know what I got.
Well, we're coming to our last stretch of a mile river. Not much going around. Still just relaxing. She is actually way up there. I don't know how Sarah got that far, but hey, she was up there. I was a little busy checking some people out. They were interesting people. Hung out with them while I was jumping in the water. Let you all go on a cruise with us. We got about a quarter to a half mile left. Just sit and cruise. Finally caught up with her. She was coasting. Everyone putting their clothes back on. Couple trailers. I'd like to live there. We've almost made it. It's right past the second bridge, I believe. Another rope swing. Swing off that one. The wire. I see people getting off up there. We're going risky. We're going under the log. Nope, not quite. It's so loud under here with all these cars. Alright, I see the exit up there. It's been a fun day. Fun hanging out with you guys. Please like and subscribe. As always. Again, I'll be working on cameras, but for kayaking, I feel like this is pretty good for an iPhone. Can't quite afford a GoPro yet. Cop pulling up out of nowhere.
How's the trip?
Great, thank you.
That's good. Hey, if you could do me a favor, take your paddle and life vest up to those two trailers. I'll grab your kayak for you.
Alright, thank you. You too. Thank you.